this way. No zombies out here, guys. Be fine. I wish I turned around a couple seconds because I don't know exactly what's going on. What are we doing? Alright, everyone guard this area then.
I'm dead.
Are you in?
Whoever is with some guy, bro.
Oh, damn it. I'm lost.
Alright, hey KJ, I'm with you too.
Alright, we need to find Rich. Wait, where did Richard go?
He went this way. The guy let him go with Garrett, I think, and he said he doesn't know what's going on, but he's letting them two go.
Is anyone covering down there?
No
Down
one.
there? I saw humans down there.
No one's covering
Watch
from the
that
back.
door.
Watch it.
Okay, there are people there. We're good. There's people down
Are you guys
there.
okay?
Watch that door. Watch that door.
Watch out, there are a couple openings down here too.
Damn it. We need to regroup.
Alright. Link up.
Joseph.
Regroup!
Run to the guys who
No, we need to find them. They're
What do we need to find?
no, we need to find the rest of the squad to regroup and then continue the search.
Alright, just hold here, hold here. Lights on.
Hey, who wants to go kill some more zombies?
Alright guys, Bravo team, we need one more vial, one more bag.
Here's Alpha.
I'm Alpha.
One more vial and one more bag.
Alright,
D9.
we need one more vial and one more bag.
I'm Alpha.
Guys!
Alpha, stick together, we'll link up with Alpha.
Alright, you guys gonna go with Alpha?
Should we stick with Bravo or should we?
Watch it.
Okay, watch out for zombie. Keep in mind, we need one more bag and one more vial to complete our task.
We gotta search.
You guys get one more bag, one more vial.
3 zombies, 4 zombies.
8-bit, where are you at?
I think melee people should be here.
Dude, they're in the middle of the place.
Okay.
We lost complete almost like 2/3 of this squad.
Alright, leave that closed? Alright.
Cut down there. Cut down our options.
Alright. We still need to retrieve one more vial and one more bag.
There's still people down there that way, right?
Hey, watch your step.
Yeah, we are D9 over.
Alpha?
So he's down for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, there's nothing in there. 5, 4,
Back to back, back to back.
1.
Alright, he's up now.
Don't do that. Don't do that. God damn.
Okay, hey, watch out for that guy, alright? Watch that zombie. Watch your back. Watch this corner.
Watch behind you.
Alright, so what? 2 people, 1 6.
Son of a bitch. No running!
There's 3 here. Get ready to tackle one in.
Okay, what buildings haven't we checked for? Okay.
How you guys doing over here?
Doing good. Use the back to
Great job,
Let's
guys.
go with Bravo.
I still got ammo, so I'm good.
Watch out, right there, right? You gotta run the corner.
Oh, fuck, that scared me.
Fucking around.
Alright, come here.
Watch behind.
I gotta admit, these guys have the two. You guys have sexy poses for that.
These guys right here. This guy.
Okay, that's all we need. We'll take it to the corner.
We got it. Let's go. Mongo.
You want? Mongo, what do you have? What do you have?
Mongo, come to me.
Hey. I need you guys to watch. I need more guys over here. Watch this area. Don't approach. Gibby, what do you guys have?
Back up to our entrance.
Get to the entrance!
Retreat.
Retreat to the entrance!
Fall back, fall back.
We got all of it. All right.
Cover.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Bravo has all the items. Report to the city now.
Come on, let's go. Cover.
Go steady.
We need to get a hold of
Richard. Who's got a radio?
You guys got the items. Listen up. Listen up. Okay, great.
Gotta go.
Would you like to bring it back?
Actually, lab.
Want me to bring it back? Where the hell's the lab?
Go through. We gotta go to drop off. He's in the lab.
That's right, guys. He's gonna bring it off over there. There's no zombies there, so you're safe.
Cover 6.
Everyone else, they need help at Alpha. We gotta take them out in the city.
Go back.
Let's go to the city. USA! Bravo! You're done. Yeah!
What's up?
What the fuck happened here?
You in front, get down so we can cover you.
All right.
If you are in front, get down.
Alright, we're gonna all fire.
Firing line.
3, 2, fire!
Oh, you can't get shot in the eye?
Alright, push!
Watch.
Ah!
Dude, you're down. Fool, I got it twice. Hey, light. Hey, how many survivors?
Oh. Camera guy. Sorry.
Zombie.
Camera guy.
What are you doing?
Don't there behind me. No, lie more. Come with me. Below me.
You can tag as you're falling. They can tag as they're falling.
Back there. I'm a zombie. No! Oh man! That was not 10. They're not taking the full call. I'm leaving the wrap. That was just for you.
Oh, it's muddy up in this bitch.
Maybe I should just throw the ball and freaking be a zombie.
Take 2 shots. I need one more. Somebody shoot me. No?
Someone get him! Someone get him!
Somebody shoot me. Yeah, I shot you like when you were walking
That's about it, guys. What's the baby? Hey. Great. Back up, guys, back up.
Matter now.
That's like a death trap over
Let's go and swing it, dude. Come on. They're coming this way. Hey, what? What are we doing? I think you guys
How many alpha objectives are still in there?
Are we pulling out
Here,
or what?
pull it.
Okay, here we go. Is your gun up, Jay?
Yeah. No, like after 3 shots, it was gone. Damn.
Zombies are crawling all over the place. It's dead.
Hey, Richard, can you do the Haruhi dance for me?
Let's do it today. We gotta get through. So put someone down and go through.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. So go in groups of 5 or 10. 8, 7.
Tap him twice. Tap him twice.
10.
Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. You're left.
I'm coming back. You're both eaten by Kyle, bitches. No.
I'm shooting in the back. Got you.
We found 2, but we didn't last.
We're down. You're not down?
Okay, who's dead?
Steven. Guys, he's not dead. He has a melee weapon. Let's get him. Get him. Get him, guys. He only has a melee weapon. It's always for you, boy.
Run, Jay!
Guys, back the other way.
Camera guy. Oh Lord, help me!